VoodooDE.
Okay guys, welcome back on my channel. Here I am again, and I have something to report to you that is very frustrating. You've seen my review. Some parts of the HTC Vive Pro I find very good, like the comfort and the tracking and stuff. And some things I dislike. You've seen that in my review. But now I can tell you the Vive Pro 2 is broken already. It's absolutely crazy. So what I did is after my review, I placed the Vive Pro just on my green box studio, just on the floor, and I left it there for like 15 hours, I think, something like that. And now I wanted to start it. I just started the PC. I didn't change anything. I just started the PC and I put it on my head, and the displays are broken. They are broken. How can I see that? So I will show it to you now. I filmed something through the lens. It's not ultra sharp, but you will see what I mean. So in the lower quarter of the displays, I see some colored small lines, and they will not disappear. They just cover the both displays, and I tried everything. I tried to reset the software. I deinstalled everything. I checked the cables, the box, and everything, and I installed everything new, and it's the same. The displays are broken, and now I have to send it back. I have to tell you, this is a press version of the HTC Vive Pro 2. My own version that I paid for comes in June sometimes, and yeah, I don't know if I will get it back before end of June. I have to send it back sometimes in the future, but I will get my own Vive Pro 2 soon, and then I can try it again for you. Also the lenses, perhaps it's a faulty unit. I don't think so. I don't think so. I think I can confirm all the stuff that I said in my review, but I will tell to you as soon as I get the my own Vive Pro 2. And this one is already broken. I cannot believe that. What the heck is going on? What the heck? I mean, I didn't even drop it or something. It just lay on the floor and I did nothing, and now it's broken. Holy shit. So this is what I can report to you. I'm really sorry to tell you, but that's it. It's broken, and I will send it back. I hope they can send me a new one. Otherwise, I will just wait for my own one. It's sometimes in June. So I'm sorry that I cannot show you more videos. I just wanted to record more stuff, but I cannot use it. Like I could, but it just looks so bad. I cannot see some parts of the display and stuff. I don't want to use it like this. So guys, that's what I can tell you. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. If you didn't see the review, check out the link in the description below. See you next time. Bye.
VoodooDE.